Then when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole, all of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit? Well, how about a round?
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
He went this way. Oh, no, that way. It's a really important date. I'd like to say hello, goodbye.
This would be a curious place to find a rabbit.
Good try. This way, something. I'm not sure where I am either.
Wait, don't go, please.
By the way, he went this way.
So let the babies play. We're painting the roses red and making cherry shed. Because we know, oh, the 60 crows and the 60
The Royal Majesty, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42, the Queen always wins.
Stop it!
Goodness!